Hello everyone, welcome to the latest episode of Man Overboard 50, ain't nothing but a number yo with your host, Language Barrel. Today I'm going to be bringing you a mini mansion located in the countryside in France. This property consists of a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. The living space is 194 square meters, which is 1,900 square feet. Land is 5,224 square meters, 60,000 square feet. Again, located in the countryside, it's in a rural location. Good condition, heating, yes, character throughout, garden all around, open countryside view, and 1.5 acres of land. So, brief description: beautiful 4-bedroom detached property. One of the bedrooms on the ground floor with a lot of character and large living area. Property is located on the edge of a village where the basic shops are available. The property is connected with main drainage, has oil fired, central heating. Upstairs bedrooms offer uninterrupted view of the surrounding countryside, and the gardens are planted with a variety of trees. The grounds are just waiting to be embellished and are large enough to graze a horse. So on the ground floor, you got an entrance, fitted kitchen, living room, dining room, hall, utility closet, water closet, shower, and bathroom. On the first floor, you have the landing, you have a water closet, you have a bathroom, you have 3 bedrooms, and then the outside of the property, you have adjoining boiler room, concrete floor with the upper floor of 50 square meters, about 500 square feet, with plywood, with the boiler and oil tank. There are 3 small storerooms ideal for chickens, carport for 2 cars, storage room, enclosed garden on nearly 1.5 acres of land, and there's a well. So if you're ready, let's get it and get into the pictures. First picture is a picture of the front of the house. Next picture is a picture of the front lawn of the house. This picture is a picture of a house with the large driveway. And again, we see pictures of the flat land in the property. Again, this is 1.5 acres. Okay, the land of the property. This is an aerial view of the property. This is the 2-car garage, or I guess they call it a carport because there's no door on the garage. This is the entrance hall to the property. This is a large, very large fitted kitchen with a fireplace. This is a picture of the dining room with a wood burning insert. Tile floors, beamed ceilings, room leading into the dining room. This is a picture of the living room. 3 stairs down from the dining space. This is one of the stairways that leads upstairs. There are 2 stairways in this home. This is the bathroom for the lower bedroom in the property. A large pantry. This is the bedroom on the lower level. This is one of the bedrooms in the upper level on the first floor, with views to the countryside. Another bedroom on the upstairs level. This is another bedroom. This is the bathroom on the upper level. This would be the family bathroom. This is the landing on the first floor. This is again the picture of the front of the house. This is the storage space beneath the house. So it's packed dirt as the flooring. This is the well on the property. Again, pictures of the front yard. This is the boiler room where the heating and the boiling equipment are stored. That's the stairway leading to the boiler room below. These are the 3 small storage spaces that used to house chickens. This is the electric panel. This is actually the carport. Again, it's not a garage because it doesn't have doors on it. More storage space in the property. These are all aerial views of the property. A view of the property at night. This is the floor plan for the property. On the first floor, you can see there's a cuisine or the kitchen. Entrée, which is the entryway. Salle à manger, which is dining room. Chambre 1, that's the bedroom. Biangerie, that's the laundry. Salle d'eau, that's the shower room, and WC's water closet. Couloir is the hallway or the corridor. The salon is the living room. Chaufferie, that is the boiler room. Second level, you can see there's 3 bedrooms. Now the bain again, Bellier, that is the landing for the property. Comble is the attic. And this is the plot for the property. You can see it's situated in the upper left-hand corner, and it's 1.5 acres of land. Again, we're trying to reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers by June 1st. So if you could subscribe to the channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. Yeah, it looks like there's just a couple restaurants in the town. This is one. Give you an idea of what kind of food you're looking at. Look at transportation to the airport from Villefagnan. So you're looking at approximately a 35-minute drive to the closest airport. This airport is located in Angoulême, Cognac. So there's a train station approximately 10 minutes away in Ruffec. Now, Ruffec is also going to be the largest immediate kind of town, larger town in this area, which is about a 10-minute drive. Ruffec has a population of approximately 3,000 people. It also has a hospital, has some hotels. Large Ruffec. So Ruffec does have a train station, as you can see there. Right, that's his train station. About a 10-minute drive from. Has a 10-minute ride from Villefagnan. And let's go open it in maps, and you'll see Ruffec. Do restaurants. In fact, there's quite a few restaurants in Ruffec. So that's probably, if you're looking for a bigger town, it's about 10 minutes away. That's where you're gonna probably end up spending most of your time. So again, the airport is fairly close. The train station is approximately a 10-minute drive. There are going to be no public transportation in Villefagnan, so you will need a car at least to get to Ruffec. So we're going to open Ruffec and just look at some images of the little town of Ruffec. There you go, church, countryside. River runs through the town. Again, some pictures. Again, approximately, it's a 3,000 person population in Ruffec. If you're looking at Villefagnan, where the property is located, you're probably looking at 1,000 people. Okay, again, we're trying to reach a goal of 1,000 subscribers by June 1st. So if you could subscribe to the channel, it would be greatly appreciated. Until that time, I'll see you on the next episode. Ciao for now.